I'm Frank Hamilton Taylor, and this is a walk down Chestnut Street in Old City, Philadelphia, brought to life through a video of 5 of my sketches. This first sketch, completed in 1922 from a photo, shows the north side of Chestnut Street between 2nd and 4th Streets. Here is the Franklin House, located where the Science History Institute now stands between 3rd and 4th Streets. I also sketched this in 1922 from a photo. This reproduction, created in 1922, depicts the old City Hall and Philosophical Building, which stood at 5th and Chestnut Streets. Another 1922 reproduction, this is the 2nd Chestnut Street Theatre, once located on the north side of Chestnut Street, between 6th and 7th Streets. Finally, this is the arcade of 1826, also a 1922 reproduction. It was located on the north side of Chestnut Street, between 6th and 7th Streets. Thank you for joining me. In future videos, I will dive deeper into the history of each of these locations. If this interests you, please subscribe to stay updated. Also, like and share, as it helps my channel grow.